Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna go ahead and learn about how to change opponent in Monopoly Go. So actually, if you're playing in Monopoly Go, if you don't know this yet, you could actually switch or change your opponent when you could go ahead and try to shut down something. So what we need to do is we'll trade a roll in the dice first in here so that we could go ahead and get redirected onto shutting down. So for example, you could go ahead and receive someone or you have this opponent that you don't want to destroy them. So what you need to do is just click onto the switch opponent onto the bottom part to change this, and then right after you could go ahead and try to choose in who you want to have as an opponent. So you could actually choose randomly, or you could go ahead and try to search onto someone that you want to go ahead and destroy their territories with. So you'll just have to click onto their name in there, and then right after you could go ahead and proceed on to choosing which one you want to smash. And that's just basically it on to how to change opponent in Monopoly Go. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.